In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate websites using the ChatGPT Atlas browser app. This guide will help you use the app efficiently to access any site you want virtually in no time. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas browser app. Once it's open, you'll immediately notice the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. This bar is your gateway to exploring the web, making navigation super simple and convenient. To begin your web journey, direct your attention to this search bar. Here, you'll type in the name of the website you wish to visit. For demonstration purposes, let's say you want to check out Facebook. You simply need to type Facebook into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of suggestions appearing. Look for the suggestion that matches the web address you're aiming for. In this case, you'll want to click on facebook.com from the list. By clicking on this suggested page, you'll be directly taken to Facebook's website. This streamlined process eliminates any extra steps, which makes your browsing experience quicker and less cumbersome. It's a straightforward way to jump into the site you're interested in without any hassle. Now, let's go through another example to ensure you've got a good handle on it. Suppose the next site you want to explore is Instagram. Again, you'll repeat the initial steps by opening the ChatGPT Atlas browser app if it isn't still open. Move your focus back to that same trusty search bar at the top of your screen. This time, type Instagram into the bar. As before, you'll see suggestions appear almost immediately. Click on Instagram.com from the list of suggestions. Just like that, the app will take you directly to Instagram's website. You can follow these same few steps to visit any website of your choice. The key here is to type the name of the website into the search bar and select the corresponding suggested page that corresponds to the official web address. This ensures that you're not only getting to the right website quickly, but also safely accessing the correct platform. This method is clearly a smooth and efficient way to navigate using the ChatGPT Atlas browser app. Remember, the aim is to make your browsing experience as painless and swift as possible, allowing you the joyful freedom to explore the web seamlessly. By integrating these steps into your everyday browsing habits, you'll find that accessing your favorite websites is not only more efficient, but also more enjoyable. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to enhance your browsing experience with this powerful tool. Happy browsing!